So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is about the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2026. Now as all you people have already started doing the arcade game badges and you all already have an idea about what is your Google Cloud Arcade and what are the things which you have to do, and I have already made so many videos. I think each and every one of you are having a clear idea about the Google Arcade program. So the moment for which many of the students were waiting, and I was also waiting too, that is the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program, because this facilitator programs helps us a lot for gaining the highest milestone and for achieving the uh, tier which we want to achieve. Okay, so it helps us a lot for getting bonus points and in so many ways. So the wait is finally over. Actually, the facilitator program haven't started yet, but it's going to start very soon. And today in this video I'm just going to show you people then when will the arcade facilitator program start. Okay, so it's going to start, like, the enrollments will open from July 13, and it will um, like the enrollment will end within few days only, but the facilitator program will start from July 13 and it will end on September 14. Okay, so this is the exact time when we have to do more and more badges, as well as this is the only time when we have to start doing the skill badges too. So the reason why we all were asking the students that don't do the skill badges now before the arcade facilitator program starts, because it will means cause a huge loss to us. Because in the facilitator program some tasks will be given to us, and we have to just make sure to complete all those tasks in order to reach that, like, milestone or the tier which we want to. Okay, so on July 13th, when the enrollment will open, I will make another video in which I will just explain how the facilitator program is working and how you have to do the badges and which badges you have to do first and which are the badges you have to do at the last and all those things. Okay, so we can say that the registration opens on July 13th, okay, at 5 p.m. So don't be late. We will just make sure to inform you people in the WhatsApp our group as soon as possible, as soon as the registration opens. So obviously keep an eye on that. So next is that I will just provide my what to say WhatsApp group link in the description. Make sure to join the WhatsApp group, okay, so that you can stay, like, updated with it. And I will also provide the link of this RSVP Arcade Google Cloud Facilitator program, this page, so that you people can go through it in order to see why you should enroll in the program and all those things. And at the same time, I will also just provide the link of your LinkedIn. Okay, the LinkedIn's link. There the post have been made. Just you people need to do is what, go through that LinkedIn, because most of the informations are given over there too. So make sure to, like, get all the informations before 13th of July, so that you don't have any kind of confusion and you can just start as soon as the registration opens. So thank you so much for watching the video and connected with us so that you can get all the updates at the right time. So thank you again.